If you're looking for an easy way to draw Ninja Turtles, you want to start your session with a little warm-up. The simplest method is to start your drawing with the basic shapes to define each feature. Avoid getting stuck on the small details. By focusing on the simplest forms, you'll get a better grasp of what makes this character unique, like the mask and the shell. This is a great exercise to help develop your observational skills. By continuously moving your pen, it forces you to commit to your lines, building more confidence. Now that we're all warmed up, let's get into today's lesson on how to draw Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin on the top center page with a large curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We'll start on the left side. Let's bend this up in the center, go across, and then down towards the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind that curve, so leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We'll draw a half oval, going up, come around, and then down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside, so we're going to start from the very top, curve around the pupil, and then in. Along the top of each pupil, draw a small circle or highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting over on the left side, then it's down, and then up. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Now I'm going to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, curve this in, come around the bottom, then up and then out. Now along the bottom we're going to add the tongue. So we're starting on the left, going up, and then down in the center, go up and then down towards the right. Now I want to fill the top area of the mouth in black. Let's go back up to the eyes along the bottom corner, then it's up and then out towards the cheeks. Now on the left side, I'm going to round up the cheek, pull this in towards the mouth, come down around the mouth and then up. Let's go around the right side and then pull the cheek coming in. Now we're going to add a fold across the top of each eye. So on the left side, just going to follow that curve going up and then down. And then line it up on the right. On the outside, I'm just going to add a fold, going out and in. I'm going to add two bumps, going around the side of the mask. Now on the left side, I'm just going to pull this up and in behind the brow, come across the middle, and then down. Now I want to finish off the head, starting from the left side, curve this up, go across, and then down. Let's draw the knot and the end of the mask on the left side. We're going to start with a half circle, go up to the top, we're going to go up, go out and bend that up. And I want to bend this down and in toward the side of that half circle. Let's draw another one, going out, down and out, and then pull that back in. In the center, I'm just going to add two folds. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, bend this out and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, come down towards the same height. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center and draw a large circle for the belt buckle. Let's trace that along the inside. We're going to add the letter R in the center. Now we're going to go back to the hips, draw the bottom of the belt, coming down and in toward the side of the buckle. Let's move up and draw that again. Let's add the end of the belt, starting from the left side, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Flatten off the ends. Now I'll just pull that back up underneath the buckle. Now I want to add the shell in behind the belt. We're going to start right in the center, go straight up the middle, go up towards the left, come around and then down. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's add a seam from the left, come down and up. Do that again. And I want to continue that trim underneath the belt. So we're going to start on the left side, come down and in, go across the middle, and back up towards the right. And I'll add a seam down the center. Just underneath that trim, curve this up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start with the left side, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. Draw the top of the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a little gap on the inside, and we'll split the toes with a curve, going up and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the bottom corner of the belt, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. And then in the center of the legs, we're going to add the knee pads. Let's start from the outside. We're going to bend this down and then up. Line this up on the right side. Step down and draw that again. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start on the left side underneath the head. Bend this down and out towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb. Bend this up and then down. Round out the thumb and then bend that back up. From the thumb, I'm just going to add the edge of the palm, coming down and in with a short curve. Let's wrap 2 large fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and back in. Let's move down to the bottom. Just going to add another one, and we want to tuck this up underneath the thumb. Now add 2 daggers at an angle in behind the hand. So let's start from that bottom finger, draw 2 angled lines coming down, round up the bottom. Let's go up to the top, starting over on the left side. Start by bending this out and up, and then curl that back out. Let's go in the opposite direction from the top of the thumb, going out, up, and out. Let's trace the inside, leaving a gap in between. Now from here, draw 2 straight lines going up and then out, and just curve that in towards a point. Now I want to do the same thing over on the right side, starting with the thumb, going up and back in. Trace the inside. Again, don't forget to leave a gap in the center. Extend those 2 lines up the middle, and curve that in towards a point. Let's go back to the left side. Just underneath that finger, step down from the handle, bend the hand coming up and in. Step down, draw the inside of the arm coming in towards the body. Now we're going to draw the elbow pad, starting from the inside of the arm at the very top, going up and then out. Step over and draw that again. Now we're going to layer that shell in behind the body. Let's start underneath the left arm, and this down and then in towards the hip. Line this up on the right side. Let's continue the shell in between the arm and the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.